On the fifth day, I can also see the eye of the birdie open. Every time the mother bird is surrounding the birdies.
Baby, baby is playing.
Yeah, they're playing now.
This is the best scene I've captured ever in my camera. I think this is the technique the mother bird is teaching the baby birds to fly. Can you notice how the baby birds are moving and flapping their wings now? I've never seen nature so closely before. I think the baby birds will fly anytime now. They are still gathering the courage to fly. And see, what did I notice? One bird is already gone. The other birdie is feeling so lonely and sad, but it will fly off soon too. I might miss this birdie's first flight too, so let me say bye bye. Bye bye birdie. Wish you best luck for your first flight.